Good morning, sixth graders. Okay, what we're going to do today is we are actually going to accomplish 2 pages. Each page isn't too terribly difficult, and we only have a couple days left of the week of the class, so I want to do 2 pages a day. We're going to go to first community and service. So we're going to click on, so if you go to destinations, you can click on community service, or you could just go to pages and find your community and service page. You'll see my community and service page here. You can always make this bold or whatever if you want to, but I'm going to leave it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself a little bit of a wording that I already typed and just a little bit about how I feel about community and service. So life is not always about selfish endeavors. So it's not always about yourself. We need our communities to thrive so we can be sure to have a place for future generations to grow and prosper. I help support my community in a few different ways. So I want you to think, you may not do it right now, but how do you support your community now, or how will you support it in the future? What do you think? And if you think about community, is it the community you live in presently, or where you want to live, or what you want to do for community in a small or at a large scale? So think about that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to grab a new picture. So I'm going to select a picture. And one way I help my community is by teaching. So I feel that that is just a calling that I have. So I'm going to grab a teach picture. So I'm going to make that a little bigger and kind of go halfway. And then I'm going to add another picture to this. So let's grab another picture. And another way that I help my community is I do volunteer. So one of my favorite, Feed My Starving Children. It's one of my favorite charities, that and Make-A-Wish. So I'm gonna, let's see, which one do I want? I don't know, it doesn't really matter because it all kind of goes the same way. Um, We're gonna do this one because these are the packs that I've actually helped create or put together with the charity. So I'm going to make this a little bit smaller, so that way it kind of is the same size as both of these. And then I'm going to write a little blurb, a sentence each, so it's not too terribly difficult. You can use this same one for yourself, but I'm going to write a sentence each for each of these. And again, I've already done it, so it makes my job a little bit easier as I don't need you to watch me type. So we'll do that again, double click, text box, and paste. And there we go. And that's it. So if I want to move this around so you can see it a little better, that's fine. But I just have life is not always about selfish endeavors, etc. So you can copy this if you would like. So pause it and copy it. And then give me 2 things that you're thinking about. 2. So have 2 pictures and give me 2 sentences about that. And then you're done with community and service. And I'll see you in the next video.